1 says that Introduction to Computer Programming. What is computer program? Computer program, also known as software, okay? Softwares are instruction or a sequence of statements that instruct a computer how to solve problems, okay? You tell a computer what to do through what? Programs. Without programs, a computer is what? An empty machine, okay? Why we use computer program? The reason is what? Because computer do not understand human language, so you need to use computer language to communicate with them. This program can communicate with computers effectively with the help of programming language, apart from the operating system, okay? So you need to use computer language to communicate with them. The programs can communicate with the computers effectively with the help of programming language, apart from operating system, okay? We have operating systems. Apart operating systems, we need programming language to communicate with what? With a computer. Okay, computer programming, we can call it as programming also, or as coding also, where we shortened it, okay? What is it? It is the process of what? Designing, writing, testing, debugging, and maintaining computer programs. The purpose of programming is to create a set of instructions that computer use to perform specific operations, okay? It requires expertise in many different subjects, including knowledge of the application domain, as well as specialized algorithms and the formal logic. When we come to types of programming language, we have three types of programming language here: a machine language, assembly language, and a high-level language. Let us see them one by one. When we say machine language, I ask these kinds of questions on exam. A machine language is a set of primitive instructions built into every computer. The instructions are in the form of what? Binary code. So you have to enter binary code for various instructions. Program with native machine language is tedious process. If you see, program with native machine language is what? Tedious process. Moreover, the program are highly difficult to read and modify. For example, to add two numbers, you may write an instruction in binary 110, 110, 110, like this, okay? So it's tedious. Machine language is a machine dependent. A program written in machine language cannot be run on other types of computer without significant change made on it, okay? Machine language is sometimes also referred as the binary language, okay? Machine language is sometimes also referred as what? Binary language. The language of what? 0 and 1. When we say bi, we means 2. 0 and 1. Where 0 stands for the absence of electric pulse, and the 1 stands for what? The presence of electric pulse. If I ask you on exam, what's the advantage of machine language? You have to say what? It makes fast and efficient use of the computer. It requires no translator to translate the code, okay? Directly understood by the computer. What's the advantage of machine language? It makes fast and efficient use of what? The computer. 1. It requires no translator, okay? It requires no translator. It also makes fast and efficient use of the computer. When I say it requires no translator, which means it's directly understood by the computer, okay? What is disadvantage of machine language? Under disadvantage of machine language, we have what? All operations codes have to be remembered. This is disadvantage, okay? All operation codes have to be what? Remembered. The second one, all memory address have to be remembered again. This is disadvantage. The third one, it is hard to amend or find error in program written in machine language, okay? For example, if we see the program written in machine language, it's hard to amend the error or to find the error in that program. This is the disadvantage of machine language. So if I ask you this, if I say write advantage of machine language or write disadvantage of machine language, you have to write, okay? When we come to the second types of programming language, we have assembly language. Assembly languages were developed to make programming easy, okay? Assembly language begin using what? English-like abbreviation to represent the elementary operation instead of using zeros and 1. Assembly language uses English-like abbreviations to represent elementary operations instead of using 0 and 1. Since computer cannot understand assembly language, however, a program called assembler is used to convert assembly language into what? Machine code, okay? Because computer cannot understand assembly language. Why? Because it look like English abbreviations. Since assembly language begin using English-like abbreviations, so computer cannot understand it. So because of this, a program called assembler is used to convert what? Assembly language program into machine code. When we see advantage of assembly language, it is easier to understand and use when we compare with machine language. The second advantage, it is easy to locate and correct error. Okay, these two are what? Advantages of what? Assembly language. When we come to disadvantage of assembly language, like machine language, it is also machine dependent. Okay, the second one, since it is machine dependent, therefore programmer should have the knowledge of what? The hardware also. This is disadvantage of what? Assembly language. When we come to the high level language, the assembly language started using English-like words, but still it is difficult to learn this language. High level language are the computer language in which it is much easier to write a program than a low level language. When we say low level language, we are speaking about those, okay? A program written in high level language is just like corresponding instruction to a person in daily life. Look like that, okay? Since a computer cannot understand again high level language, however, a program called translator is used to convert high level language program into what? Machine code, okay? Under assembly language, what we use? We use assembler. For what? For converting assembly language program into machine code. Under high level language, again, we use a program called translator for converting high level language program into what? Machine code. You have to know this, okay? Advantage of high level language is what? It is similar to English with vocabulary of words and symbols. Therefore, it is easier to learn and write and maintain. But the disadvantage of high level language is what? A high level language has to be translated into the machine language by a translator, and those price in computer time is paid, okay? The following are popular high level language: common business oriented language or COBOL, Fortran, formal translation, basic or beginner all purpose symbolic instructional code, Pascal, Ada, C, Visual Basic, Delphi, C++, Java, C#. Like this, these are all what? Popular high level language. So C++ is also under what? High level language. When we speak about program developing, we need programming language in order to solve a problem. As we mentioned earlier, we need what? Programming language in order to solve problem. So when we solve problem using computer problem solving is an intricate process requiring careful planning and attention to detail, okay? To able to get a quality software product or program, we need to pass the following stages. How many stages? It is 5 stages that we have to pass. The first one is collection and the requirement analysis. The second one, after we collect and we analyze our requirement, the second stage is what? Design. Okay, designing. After we design, the third stage is what? Coding. Okay, writing code for that design. After we write the code, the fourth stage is what? Testing that code, okay? After we test, the last stage is what? Maintenance. So these are the stages that we have to pass in order to get quality software. Please read your handout properly and use this audio as a revision also. I hope you are preparing for your mid-exam. Good luck. Thank you.
Kabardahar University.